We'll guide you through how to fix the edges of your desktop or display are cut off. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying as things are then lost and you can't see certain things. We'll guide you through fixing it. First of all, come to the bottom of your computer and you want to press search. Here you need to go and type in device manager and open it up. Find display adapters and you need to go and press the expansion arrow to the left. So here I've got NVIDIA. You may have Intel or AMD as well, it doesn't matter. If you've got Intel, then what you need to do is press search at the bottom and go and search for the Intel Graphics Center. Go and download it from the Microsoft Store if you haven't already got it. If you've got NVIDIA, search the NVIDIA control panel, or for AMD, open up the AMD driver. So then we're gonna go and open up the NVIDIA control panel like so. Within the application you're using, you need to locate the desktop size or scaling setting. And then what we can do is we can scroll down. So in NVIDIA, we select size, then we can select enable and press apply, press resize. And what you can then do is you can go and make sure this is locked and we can then go and adjust it so we don't go and miss any parts of the screen. When you're then happy with it, make sure you go and press OK. And hopefully now the problem's solved.